Pneumococcal infections. Introduction. The bacteria that cause pneumococcal infections are only spread through contact with people who are ill. Select true or false. Correct. The bacteria spread through contact with people who are ill. It can also spread through contact with healthy people who carry the bacteria. Pneumococcal infections always cause the same symptoms no matter where the infection is located. Select true or false. Correct. Symptoms of pneumococcal infections depend on the location and severity of the infection. The infections can cause many health problems ranging from minor to life-threatening. John has been running a fever with chills for 2 days. He feels very confused, his joints hurt, and he has a rapid heartbeat. What should John do? Choose one of the following options. 1. Rest at home and wait to feel better. 2. Contact his healthcare provider immediately. Correct. John has symptoms of sepsis, a life-threatening illness. It is usually caused by the body's response to an infection. Pneumococcal bacteria may affect which parts of the body? Choose one of the following. 1. The heart. 2. The membrane that lines the eyelids. 3. The membrane that lines the inner abdominal wall. 4. All of the above. Correct. Pneumococcal infections may affect many different parts of the body. What is the main treatment for pneumococcal infections? Choose one of the following. 1. Antifungal creams. 2. Antibiotics. 3. Rest. Correct. Antibiotics can kill pneumococci bacteria. Make sure to take all of your antibiotics. Do not stop early. Which of these steps can be taken to prevent pneumococcal infections? Choose one of the following options. 1. Wash hands often. 2. Cover your mouth with tissue when coughing or sneezing. 3. Receive a pneumococcal vaccine. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.